In TalentLMS, cloning is your secret weapon for working smarter, not harder. Whether you want to duplicate an entire course or just a single unit, cloning lets you create consistent, reusable content in just a few clicks. Let's start by cloning a course. Log into your portal as an administrator or instructor. Go to Courses, find the course you want to clone, and click the clone icon. In the pop-up window, click Clone. Done! Your course has been cloned and added to your course list. It's an exact copy of the original, but can now be managed and edited independently. Now let's clone a unit. Open the course where you want to add the unit. Click Add, hover over More, and select Clone from another course. From the drop-down, pick the course with the unit you want to copy. Then, select the specific unit you want to clone. Great! The unit is now added to your course. You can edit it freely without affecting the original. And if it's a test unit, your questions and test settings are cloned too. Quick note, you can also link units instead of cloning them. Just follow the same steps, but choose link from another course. The difference? Linked units stay synced. Changes made to the original also appear in the linked version. However, some unit types can't be linked. Tests, surveys, assignments, and instructor-led training. TalentLMS's cloning tools help you build new courses fast, without starting from scratch. It's all about saving time and keeping your content consistent.